guys, and today we are playing BTD6. So I did a poll to see if I should play BTD6 or not, and it was a tie. So I spun a wheel, and it was yes. So here we are. Alright, so I made a video on this today, however I wasn't happy with it because not only was the balloon popping noise too loud, but also it was too easy since I wasn't easy. So I'm going to be playing on medium. Standard. Alright, so basically, if you don't know what BTD6 is, it's like every other tower defense game. Alright, you have a tower, you have a hero, which is a one-in-a-kind tower. There are a bunch of different heroes that do different things, but I pick one that makes money. It's just what I picked. There are 3 sections: primary, military, and magic. Oh yeah, and support. I'm not really pro at this game, but I'm pretty good. Yeah, each tower has 5 upgrades in each thing. And if you get, for example, if I got Ultra Juggernaut, I would only be able to get very quick shots or Enhanced Eyesight. You can't have 2 T5s. Alright, so without further ado, I guess let's go. I'm going to be starting with Desperado. He's my favourite monkey. And then I'm going to go for Sniper. Alright, as you can see, there's the balloons. I'm afraid the balloon popping sound is going to be too loud. Alright, you know what? We're just going to have no popping. Alright, so, no popping is too dull. Alright. So, I'm going to get... Alright, I think I'm going to upgrade my Desperado, get Quick Draw. It attacks faster the further balloons are from Desperado. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of it. Alright, what should I get next? Oh, balloons are starting to get by. No! Alright, that's not very nice. It's fine. Alright, I'm going to save up to get a ninja down. Alright, here we go. Ninja. I'm going to be doing pretty good. And, I'm going to get Seeking Shuriken on my ninja. Just get some upgrades on my ninja. Oh. Whoops. Ignore this. And yeah, I'm just going to get Seeking Shuriken on my ninja. Right, I might save up to get my money-making hero, but I don't know. I think I might upgrade my sniper. So I got Seeking Shuriken. I'm gonna get Ninja Discipline. Increases attack speed and Seeking Shuriken. Increases attack range and Shurikens will seek out and pop balloons automatically. So basically heat seeking. And oh yeah, there are also types of balloons in this game, like lead balloons and camo balloons that only specific towers with specific upgrades can see. It's like, for example, the night vision goggles allows my sniper monkey to now see camos. Camos aren't coming yet, though, so we don't have to worry about them right now. However, there are things called villages, where you can get things like Radar Scanner, which gives the monkeys around them camera detection. So, yeah. Alright, we're doing pretty good so far. I'm going to save up to get a monkey ace down, since they're one of my other favourite towers. We're doing pretty good right now. No balloons are kind of getting past the round anymore. Alright, getting down there. Alright, oh yeah, and you see right below the name and above their character icon, that little number right there, that's how many balloon layers they've popped. So right now, Desperado has the most pops. Alright, and I just got Eagle Eye, which means you can see camo balloons as standoff. Attacks faster the fewer balloons are in range. Alright, we're doing pretty good. I want to get Centered Path on here, so it's not just going around that way or actually around the centre of the map, which will be a lot better, and then we'll get Rapid Fire that shoots faster than normal. So yellows. Alright, we got centered path. Let's go. However, then we can get limitless targeting, so all those darts that come out will guaranteed hit a balloon. So, yeah. Then eventually we get the flying fortress. There are also these things called paragons, which are basically all of their T5s, the max outs combined. So, yeah. But I probably won't be using paragons today, since, you know. Leave a comment down below if you want me to do more BTD6 stuff. Balloons are getting by. I think I'm going to upgrade my sniper monkey, since so this little black circle around them is their range, as you probably know. However, sometimes like that, how they have like a really small radius, that means they can see everywhere. So, like this sniper, he can see everywhere, except for that little bit highlighted in red, but balloons aren't coming in there anyways. And then there's the monkey ace, which can also obviously see everywhere. Yeah, I'm going to upgrade my sniper monkey. There we go. Fast fire. Oh yeah, and there are also different things you can put on, like, you can make them attack the first balloon, the strongest balloon, the closest balloon to it, and the last balloon. I'm just going to keep this part on first then. Alright, I'm going to get cow chops on my ninja, and then I'm going to get the sticky bomb path, which makes it so he literally puts bombs on balloons. So basically, right now, you know how we're getting just little basic balloons, red, blues, greens, yellows. Well, on round 40, you can see our round in the top right. But on round 40, the first bigger balloon comes, and it's called a Moab. It's basically a blue blimp. Oh, forgot about these. These are lead balloons. Only specific type of towers can pop them, like our bomb shooter that I just placed down to literally save our lives. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to get the middle path because I think it's the coolest. He literally turns into a missile for the bomb shooter. So. Alright, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Get even fast fire. Shrapnel shot. Damaged balloons spray out a cone of sharp shrapnel and shoots even faster. This targeting is quite a lot of money. So I'm just going to get cow chops where he puts these little spikes all over the floor that when balloons run over them, or they delete how the other balloons run, but when balloons run over them it does some damage. It's not that useful, but it's what's after it that's more useful. Combination attack. Alternates flash bombs that stun many balloons and shuriken deal increased damage to stun targets. So I'm going to get our hero down, eventually.
Yes!
Oh, if I turn my sound up page, then it makes sense.
Special order? Yes! Yes! Ready!
Like that. Alright. I am going to save up for never miss targeting, because that's when our monkey ace is going to get a lot stronger. And then I'm going to get some other towers down to show you what it is. Oh, there's also a attack shooter, which instead of shooting at one balloon, it shoots around it all at once. I'm going to get the top path here, because it's my favourite. It literally turns into an inferno ring and shoots fireballs. So yeah, oh, they were just camo balloons that were coming out. Yep, see? Those army balloons. Those camo balloons. Sorry, that's okay. I'm gonna get sharp. Is it shurikens or shuriken? I don't know. Oh, yes. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna say shurikens. Alright, flash bomb. We finally got it. Could have gotten this time. Yeah, you can see there's like bombs coming out. Some of those are the bomb shooter, some of those are the sticky bomb. Oh, sorry, the flash bomb. Don't know.
All you can eat.
Sticky bomb's good, but it's quite bad. So. Alright, there's this targeting. Now you can see all the darts are homing on the balloons, which is proving to be quite effective.
Careful with these.
Our hero
Ready.
also has some abilities. Oh yeah, also you can see at the top it shows how much money he's made. He cost 1,200, so he hasn't fully paid himself back yet, but he will. This has an ability to boost our guys for a bit, but then it just turns them off. Boost the guys closest to him. Alright, I am going to get down a boomerang monkey, which is one of the ones that has a paragon, but once again I don't think I'm going to get one of those. Alright, so I'm going to get the top path for it, where it gets glaives, and then I'm gonna get faster throwing and the faster landings. There we go. Alright, we're doing pretty good. The balloons aren't getting by. We're on medium. Doing pretty good for medium. Oh, and the big balloon went by. I didn't even notice. Alright, nice. Alright. I'm gonna place down another bomb shooter. No, I'm gonna spread out the tower so you can see it. Now, I will, next time, if there is a next time, I will play on a map with the water areas. Because otherwise we can't really play with these ones. Well, if I don't get a pool. Or I already have to. Why not? Alright. So, this is the Buccaneer. So I'm pretty sure you can fit like 3 Buccaneers per pool. But on some maps you don't actually have to use a pool. So here we go. Here's a Buccaneer. Now I always go for like the pirate lore, but sometimes when I'm trying to make money, I go for the bottom path. However, we're pretty good on money. So I think I'm just gonna do middle. I might get one and then die. I'm gonna make it so we can see camera balloons, and then his range is bigger. There we go, and I'm gonna get monkey pirates, where you can see in the corner he gets his own ability, where he can insta-kill some of those big balloons by dragging them in. It's pretty cool. It's 47, almost 60. 60 is when the next big balloon comes out. It's a big red one. I always forget its name. Yeah, I'm not a pro at this game. I do watch people like 2v2. If you like BTD6, go check it out. I might save up for Mob Assassin here. I know. Mob is the big balloon. The big balloons. Alright, almost around 50, where another Mob's going to be coming in. But it's going to be that small. Alright, I'm going to get down another Buccaneer, but this time a merchant one. So he's going to be making some money.
Careful with the slice and dice.
I didn't get to show you the ability. I'm going to get Super Monkey now. One of the most notorious. Here, and I'm going to go for the robot anti-balloon, which is like an evil robot, and he has these really cool lasers. Really cool. Can't see camera balloons right now. He shoots darts like really fast. He's basically just the dart monkey, but better. Laser blast. So now he has this little laser vision things on his eyes, and when there's no more camera balloons, you'll see him attack with them. Hold up.
Sliced and diced.
See that little green circle that popped up for a second? It's better when he's further away, because you can see it better.
Sliced and
Alright,
diced.
yeah, now I have Plasma Blast and Mobs. I can barely see Mobs. So we are doing very good. Very good, very good. I'm going to save that. Oh, we're almost out of fire. Boom. There we go. And he has 400. Alright, and I'm also
Careful
going to...
sliced and diced.
Yeah, there are also other types of towers in this game, like Benjamin. Like banana farms.
Sliced and diced.
The good old... Oh, I can buy the good old banana farmer. Oh, I'm so broke. I can buy the good old banana farmer, so he can farm bananas for me. Yeah, and now at the top you can see it doesn't even have a pop count, because it doesn't pop things. You can see it's making money. It's pay itself back. Just gonna get
sliced and diced.
it's money faster. Alright, we are doing very good right now. Yeah, we're not having any problems. Oh yeah, there's also this little trick. I've already using trophies. Alright, I think that we should get next. What about the Alright. So on the engineer I always go for the bottom path, since it has something called an XXL trap, which he puts on the track where the balloons come, and he can trap even the biggest of balloons. So, oh, by the way, on round 100, the final boss comes in. Oh, wait, it's about to be round 60.
Big fish.
Oh,
Sliced and diced.
Let's go. Now we go into free play. So, when we get to 100, I'll stop.
Careful with sliced and diced.
By the way, guys, even if you guys think leave in the comments if you guys think that I should do like more 30-minute videos like some of mine are, or more like around 16 minutes. Because I don't really know if I should do longer.
Slice and dice.
Or if I should, become like a shorts YouTuber. I'm planning to do like some 8-game shorts. Alright. So I'm gonna get Robo Monkey, so he finally gets his little Robo cannons. Oh, Balloon's finally got past the first loop. That's scary. Yeah, another good thing about the balloon trap is when it explodes, because it has too many balloons in it, it makes it stand. It's not going to pay itself back in like a million years. Yeah, so now there's two things. So I told you to focus things earlier, now it's focused on two things at once. So its two cannons can target different things. I have one of its cannons targeting the first balloon in the line, and then the other cannon is targeting the strongest. So it could be targeting Sticky Bomb. And yeah, right now we're in a pretty good position. We're not really good.
Slice and dice.
I'm gonna get down another money-making buccaneer.
5 stars.
Money-making.
Carefully.
We're doing
Slice
really good
and
against
dice.
these mobs. I thought medium would be more of a challenge. Guys, comment down below if you think I should do hard next time.
Slice and dice. Big fish.
Alright. Ignore that. Let's go down the pancake and now you're gonna be big money. So we are doing pretty good. Next big balloon comes on around 8
Slice and
with
dice.
a ZOMG, and it is a giant green and black balloon. However, I think we're going to beat through that. And then
Slice
around 9,
and dice.
DDT. Now it's a camo and lead balloon. Lead is the metal ones that I needed the cannon to defeat. Yeah, it's both, and it does have less health than the ZOMG, for what I know, but it's way faster, so those are all scary, especially in the action.
Slice and dice.
Alright, I'm gonna save up for bullseye. A bullseye. Take aim ability. Yeah, he gets an ability which like
Slice and
this
dice.
is how he can use it on any tower.
5 stars.
You see how he has like a smaller circle inside of the bigger circle? That's his revolver range, where he pulls out his revolver and uses that. However, the outer circle is just his sword. It's not circle. So I might save up around here. Next. Oh, this is ability. So you can use it on any of them, but I just use it on them. And it basically makes him fire faster, gives him more range, and does more damage.
Big fish. Slice and
And
dice.
he gets an even better ability. You're doing really good. Surprisingly good. You know, surprisingly good for not having any T5s, which are the max ones. So, yeah. We're not really saving up money.
Pretty careful with the block.
Well, that's a lot. Oh. You're starting to get kind of close, that's fine. I don't like that. It's fine. We are fine.
Slice and dice.
Alright. This is too easy. Alright, bounty on. There we go. Now he has that cool silver. Oh, is it silver? I don't know. Alright, we are doing pretty good. I could try and get pirate. Save up pirate. Greatly improved power and can shoot many grappling hooks at once, plundering extra cash for each Moab class balloon. The Moab class balloon, I already said it. Alright, oh, we've got completely forgot about sniper. I want to make how fast he's firing. I also forgot about
All you
boss,
can eat.
which is a big upgrade from
Careful with these.
like, what's 23,000?
Big
Oh, we're
fish.
almost at the 21,000? 22,000? 23,000? Let's go. Criteria.
Slice and dice.
Close.
Sushi is
Alright,
power.
oh, that's the big balloon,
fish.
that's the big balloon. Oh, and we beat it.
Slice and dice.
Ooh. No one can beat us, chat. No one can beat us. No one can beat us.
Slice and dice.
Oh. See, I just gave the Pirate Lord the Desperado. Has the same effects on him as well. Then there's also that ability which
Slice and dice.
Desperados do more damage. So it isn't probably well, it's great if you're doing it only Desperado. Comment down below any like challenges you want for me. I'm completely open. Also, just comment down what games you want me to play and stuff. Just no
Slice and dice.
Alright, gonna leave that to the Pirate Lord. Oh no, he's actually a Pirate Lord. There we go. Alright, now his abilities change. You see now it's multiple.
Careful with these. Slice and
Multiple
dice.
big hits. And I think he can instantly hook in the green and black. We are doing really good right now, chat. I'm going to upgrade all of our vanilla bots.
Big fish. Slice and dice.
We're doing a great job. We're not even sweating.
Big fish. Slice and dice. Sushi is power. Slice and dice.
We're
All you
doing
can eat.
pretty good right now. I have a lot of spare money.
Careful.
I could save up for exit something.
Big fish. Big fish. Slice and dice.
32,000.
Slice and dice.
Oh yeah, also at the end of this bit, if we I want to show you the furthest I've gone. It's like 170 around there. I just want to show you. There's so many times.
Big
Please
fish.
no! Oh no! Oh no! They're getting by! They're getting by! No! Oh my god, that was so close. Okay, we gotta do something. That was too close for comfort. That was too close for
Power. Slice and dice.
Stick my head up. Alright.
Slice and dice.
That was other than that little DDT fiasco, which is the black
All you can eat.
those good DDTs, ones I told you about. That's
Big
half the
careful. Slice and dice.
very good.
Big fish.
Oh no! We lost.
One's not
Oh
popping
well,
balloons.
that's a shame, guys. We made it to round 93 though, that's pretty good. When I played on easy I made it higher though. So now I'm going to show you what it is truly like to be cool. This is on easy though, I'm pretty sure. We're just see, it's yeah, it's quite a lot to take in, isn't it? Yeah. You'll probably see it better if I take the abilities off the screen. Yeah, we're on easy. I'll just show you guys what it's like to be playing on this.
Slice and dice. Big fish.
That big purple thing is the BTD. Oh my god. I just found all my abilities. I don't even know what's going on this. Yeah, that's how chaotic each of these games are. So yeah, I think that's the end of today's video. Comment if any challenges for me, or if you want me to fight a boss. Maybe. So yeah, just comment any ideas of videos you want me to do down below, and I will probably do them. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye!